Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Today, we're going to discuss a fun and easy way to boost your Snapchat score. Trust me, it's super simple, and you'll have a blast doing it. First off, you'll need to open up Snapchat on your phone. Scroll down until you see my profile and then tap on it. Once you're on your profile page, click on the Add Friend button located at the bottom of your screen. Snapchat will then generate a unique 9-digit snap code for you. This code is unique to you and can be used only once. Remember, this is an optional step, but I highly recommend it as it helps other users find and add you more easily. That's it. Now, sit back and watch as your Snapchat score starts to rise, all without even sending or receiving any snaps. I can almost guarantee that someone will see your snap code and decide to add you within just a few minutes. It might even take less than that. So there you have it, folks, a quick and easy way to boost your Snapchat score. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest content.